Hello and welcome back with another video. Today I'll show you the top things to do here in Carlsbad, California. So Tamarack State Beach is filled with surfers. It has that surfing vibe. Huge beach, I mean, look, it goes all the way over there. It's like, when I googled this, it was like a mile and something walking. So yeah, you'll have free parking, very accessible parking, so yeah. Now let's go over to Ponto State Beach. Check this out, it's really nice out here. You got the volleyball players, you got a bunch of people playing volleyball. It's not even far, it's like 3 miles away from that other beach where we were. I don't know if you figured or not, but I love the ocean, so take a look. This is Ponto State Beach. Ponto State Beach is like 3 miles south from the first beach I showed you guys, and they also public parking. I guess Carlsbad parking is not going to be an issue. Entrance is free, so yeah, so free entrance, free parking. It's amazing. Take a look. You got a bunch of people playing volleyball and whatnot, so this is nice. So we're now here in Carlsbad Village, which is basically the downtown area here in Carlsbad, and yeah, it's really nice. Parking can be limited here, especially I'm here on a weekend. So yeah, take a look. Also, a really nice must do when you're here in Carlsbad, you got Village Faire, which is really nice. There is shops, boutique shops, and some restaurants. Yeah, it's located in the downtown area of Carlsbad. Let's go. So we're here in Legoland now. Make sure to check it out when you're here. It's a must visit. The park entrance is like $100 to, yeah, $99. Okay, for kids it's like $38. So check it out. And now we're here in Carlsbad Beach. It's called Carlsbad Beach. Yeah, take a look. It's like a hidden beach by all the homes. You see? And that's my favorite one. As far as the arrival process goes, you would want to fly into San Diego International Airport or Los Angeles, whichever one is closer. I drove here since I live in California, but yeah, San Diego is a better airport, smaller, less traffic coming down here to Carlsbad, and you'll see San Diego. As far as lodging goes, so anywhere in Carlsbad it's going to cost you anywhere from $170 to $300, $350 for a decent quality hotel. It's not as cheap as you'd think. It's a wealthy town, so yeah, be ready for higher lodging prices, but it's worth it. I'll tell you what, it's worth it. It's really nice. To me, Carlsbad is a hidden gem here in California, so yeah, it's like hidden right between San Diego and Los Angeles, and San Diego and Los Angeles, they have all the focus when it comes to tourism, but actually Carlsbad, it's full of nice beaches, full of Southern California vibes. You'll love it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video until the end, and please make sure to subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed, and follow for more travel content.